my name is Sarah Johnson. I'm a certified lymphedema therapist here at Rehab Guru. One of the treatment options that really helps with swelling in the lower extremities is manual lymph drainage. It's a light touch massage. So one of the benefits of this is to help clear out any swelling that's accumulated in the lower extremities, say maybe after a knee replacement or somebody who has lymphedema. So I'm going to demonstrate clearing the popliteal nodes, which sit behind the knee. And it's a real light touch massage, light compression. Shouldn't be painful at all. And we're just working on lymph fluid uptake and working that out of the lower extremities. This can really help to soften up the lymph nodes behind the knee. Some other treatment options for lymphedema or swelling are compression garments, compression therapy, working on exercises that target the lymphatic system, and then working on education for nutrition and positioning.